The Headless Horseman is a legendary figure deeply rooted in American folklore. This spectral entity, popularized in Washington Irving's The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, haunts the Hudson Valley. Riding a black steed and wielding a menacing pumpkin for a head, the horseman instills fear in the hearts of all who cross its path. The tale symbolizes the eerie allure of the unknown and the consequences of greed and jealousy. It has become an iconic Halloween story, a reminder of the power of superstition and the thrill of the supernatural. Whether in literature or film, the Headless Horseman's legacy continues to captivate audiences with its spine-tingling mystique